In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or just looking for a quick and easy guide, stick around as I walk you through each step. This tutorial is designed especially for those who want to generate QR codes without fuss. Let's begin with the Canva homepage. Once you're logged in and ready, you'll want to locate and click on the Apps button. This can usually be found on the left side of your Canva dashboard. By clicking here, you'll unlock access to a diverse range of tools and integrations that Canva offers. Now, in the search bar that appears, go ahead and type in QR code. It's direct and straightforward. Typing this will quickly bring up the options you need. You'll see various applications and tools that relate to QR codes displayed in the search results. What you're looking for is the QR code generator. Once you spot it, click on it to continue. With the QR code generator open, you should see a button or a prompt labeled QR code. Clicking on this will direct you to the interface where you can start creating your QR code. It's a simple process and Canva's user-friendly layout makes it a breeze. Next, you're going to need a URL that you want the QR code to direct to. It could be your website, a landing page, or any other link you choose. Copy the URL and paste it into the designated field in the QR code generator. This is a crucial step because the URL you enter will dictate where people land when they scan your QR code. Once your URL is securely pasted, it's time to generate your code. Locate the Generate Code button and give it a click. Canva will work its magic, and in moments you'll have a fresh QR code ready for use. And there you have it, your QR code is generated. You can now incorporate it into your designs, download it for later use, or share it with others. The QR code will retain the link information you provided, making it a dynamic way to connect viewers with your online content. Remember, QR codes can be incredibly versatile. They're a great way to direct potential clients, customers, or peers to your webpage, portfolio, or any online resource you deem important. By learning how to create these in Canva, you've taken an important step in enhancing your digital communication strategy. I hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or explore more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on mastering Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.